Have you ever been to a place so many times that you kind of get burned out? Well, I'm at that type of place now. I'm here at Versailles State Park. Be honest with you, I've not been here in 3 months. And the reason being, I purposely want to lay off coming here for as long as I can, because I was starting to get a little burned out. And what's so funny with that is, out of all my places I go, and I go to a lot of them, Versailles State Park is one of my very favorites. This is one of the places I've done the most fishing. I hiked every trail they got here, and they have a dam that is fantastic. What brings me back here today, with all the rain we had, I had to come back. Guys, today's footage is going to be of the dam, Versailles State Park Dam. A little bit of beauty here, a little bit of beauty there. Then we're going to get the lake, and it may have a little music to it. It may just have a teeny bit of music. I don't know yet, until I get home and do the editing. And then we're going to do some talking. And yeah, I know I've got this place multiple times on video, but you know what? Beauty's beauty, no matter how many times you see it. Let's get going, guys. Yes, I'm kind of a little excited to be back here. I see a fisherman down here. That makes me smile. Sometimes words can explain the beauty that you see. And yes, I might have got burned out with Versailles State Park. It's still my very favorite place to go. Oh my word. Just watching the water flow over the dam clears all stress. Puts your thoughts in perspective. It makes the body feel good. Makes the mind feel good. It makes your eyes happy. So damn beautiful. Just imagine having this outside your window. Especially your kitchen window while you may be doing some dishes. Or out on the deck just watching or listening to the water. I did say I was going to get a little bit of beauty, didn't I? Yeah, I did. We're going to go up on them rocks here in a minute. That might be the part I have to put music to it. It's going to be so loud you probably won't hear me talk. How about before I go up on the rocks, we'll do a little bit of zoom ins and zoom outs. So beautiful. You know how many times I come up here to fish, and he's sitting right next to these rocks and fishing right out this way? Multiple times, guys, multiple times. These rocks are not the safest things to walk on, but we're going to do it anyway. I might get some zoomed in shots, that little waterfall right there. Let's put a little music to that. But before we do that, let's look at the creation of the artist made for us. My God, this place is so beautiful. I missed it. I tell you, or should I say I asked you, isn't this a thing of beauty? My word. Yeah. You're probably asking yourself, Michael, how can you get bummed out or burned out? I did. You gotta understand how many times I've been to Versailles State Park. I've been here more than anywhere else. Yeah. Oh my word. Over hundreds of times a year. Yeah, we just couldn't get enough of this place. Then we kind of got too much. So we took a 3-month break. Well, it looks like that 3-month break worked. I am extremely excited to be here right now. I'm trying not to break my neck as I walk down these rocks. And the rocks are wet in some places, and I'm trying not to slide. There we go. But yeah, it worked. I'm extremely happy that I'm here right now. I'm extremely happy of the footage, the filming I'm getting right now. Okay, from here we're going to head over to the lake. And please, for the love of ketchup and pickle juice, please, I'm hoping to get some wildlife. Guys, I want to film what I've been filming. I do. But I want to get some wildlife on there too, you know? I want to get animals. And I know the best time to do that's probably spring, but dang it, I want some now. All right, let's get over to the lake and let's go from there. Okay, I'm up here at the lake now. I don't see any wildlife, but that's okay. We're still going to shoot it anyway. Not shoot it with a gun, but we're going to shoot it with the camera. Then we'll do some talks. And yeah, Versailles Park Lake. I tell you, I fished this thing more than you could possibly ever imagine. Okay, let's get on the G70. Let's get some beauty, and we'll do some talks. This year, I still will come back here and fish a few times, but not many. I got a couple secret places to fish. Yeah. So this fishing season, I still will fish here, but not many at all. I have a couple places that we're going to probably be most of the time by ourselves, and we're going to fish there. There's nothing wrong with fishing here, oh my word, but sometimes it's good to change things up a little bit. Okay, we got a dock right here. We're going to step out on it. Technically, I've been coming here to Versailles State Park. Oh, I think I was 16 or 17 years of age. Might have been even 15. And then Angie and I started coming up here multiple times in the last 5 years. Oh my word, have we ever. I guess when you find a place that makes you happy, you know, a place that makes you feel good, you come there a lot, or you go there a lot, and that's what it was here. And then we was here at the very beginning of October last, and we're like, yeah, I wasn't feeling it, neither was she. So I made the decision on the way home, let's give this place a break. And today we returned. Yep, we returned, and you know what? I'm happy. I got it back. I got that feeling that I always had when I come up here all the other times. But yet, this summer, I need to fish other places. I need to fish our secret couple fishing spots. Don't know how well they're going to be. They may be for not. Won't know until we fish them. Just look at them. My lovely dog and my wonderful wife. Oh man, I don't know what I would do without them, guys. I really don't. I truly don't. Look at Kitt. We're trying to get him all walked out. He knows he ain't allowed jumping, but he's doing it anyway. Trying to get them all walked out before we head back. But yeah, I'm zoomed in a little bit, by the way, guys. Let me zoom it out. I tell you. See, this is one of the wonderful things about Versailles State Park in the wintertime. You have it all to yourself. And on a day like today, oh, okay, let's jump over to GoPro and let's finish this out. We have some wonderful weather today. We're going to pay dearly for this, though, y'all. So the next mini videos I may have, the next mini videos may be in the frigid weather, the deep freeze. That's okay, though. You know, I'm okay with that. I'm saying that now until I freeze my butt off. But yeah, Versailles State Park, southeastern Indiana. Wow. I missed you. I have. I missed it here. You know, the funny thing is, I've come up here so many times over the years, this feels like my own backyard. I seriously was on a first name basis with all the geese here. I know all the DNR. I know all the workers. Hell, I was starting to even get getting to know, well, every now and then you can see the locals like me that would visit the place. I actually been recognized up here for my videos a few times. Yeah. Even the DNR recognized me once for one of the videos I did up here. This is a beautiful place, y'all. But I tell you what, take it from me. It took us it was 5 years for us to get burned out. And then when I decided to take a 3-month break, I come back today, and yeah. Now I'll be back again, but I'm not going to let myself get burned out again. I'll be back probably until summertime. I might visit this place once a month. And summertime comes, I come up and fish it here and there, maybe hike a trail, and go from there, maybe once a month or twice a month. All right, guys, until next time, thanks for watching. Leave me down in the comments. Is there ever a place of beauty like Versailles State Park you ever got burned out with? And then you gave it a break for about 3 months or longer, or even shorter, only to go back there and rekindle it all over again? Right over there's them dang geese. I could have zoomed in right on them. Well, maybe next time. Till then, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching. By the way, I had a comment recently of a gentleman. Sorry, I don't remember your handle on YouTube, but he says he loves cabins. I got more of them coming up in the future. Lots more. All right, I'm out here, guys. We'll see you in the next video.